So welcome back to Electric Vehicles channel, my dear friends. I am Krishna Chaitanya Mandela. Most of our subscribers asked us to give a video about the upgraded ePluto 7G. They said the boot space of ePluto 7G got upgraded. Even the suspension also they upgraded. That's what some of the viewers said that. So we brought the upgraded ePluto 7G to you. So let's have a complete details on the upgraded version of ePluto 7G. So before we enter into the upgrades of ePluto 7G, let's talk about the specifications of this electric scooter first. The company claims to have 120 kilometers of range on a single charge with a 2.5 kilowatt hour lithium-ion battery pack, which is detachable. Whereas the charging time of ePluto 7G is 4.5 hours, and the motor capacity is 1.5 kilowatts. With a 1.5 kilowatt motor, ePluto 7G can run with a top speed of 60 km per hour. So now coming to the first upgrade of ePluto 7G, it's about the boot space. Earlier ePluto 7G have limited boot space. Actually the battery occupied the majority of space here. Earlier the battery pack is vertical. Now they make it as a slanty mode, so that they have upgraded the chassis as well. That is one of the reason the battery went inside, so that you get ample amount of boot space now. But still it's not too big, but it can accommodate one charger here. You can keep a charger with a box. In addition to that, you will have little space here to keep groceries or some of your belongings. So this is the extended space you will get after the new upgrade from ePluto 7G. So people who complained about the boot space of ePluto 7G, now they rectified this particular thing. Now the second upgrade of ePluto 7G, it's about the suspension. Earlier most of the users complained that it is there is a lot of spring action in this ePluto 7G. That's why if they ride on irregular roads, even a single person feels somewhat discomfort. Now what they did means they make the shock absorbers a little tight. That's one of the reason. Even if you ride with a pillion as well, the impact will be quite less if you're riding on a regular road. That's what the company told. Even I have ride this ePluto 7G, the upgraded version of this. You may feel a little difference in that. The previous version of ePluto 7G, definitely a small impact change can observe from the new shock absorbers of ePluto 7G. So people who are going for a ride on ePluto 7G, they might feel somewhat better travel experience because of the upgraded suspension. And the third update, it's about the color options of ePluto 7G. Earlier ePluto 7G is available in 6 colors: red, blue, black, silver, white and yellow. Now they have given one more color, which is orange color. So there is one more color option from ePluto 7G. And the final upgrade, maybe this upgrade most of the viewers already aware of this thing. They recently upgraded the warranty on their battery pack, motor and controller. If the customers paid extra amount of 3,000 rupees, they will get additional battery warranty. For example, the battery pack warranty will be increased by additional 2 years. So with the extra 3,000 rupees, you will get additional 2 years of warranty on the battery pack, and 1 year additional warranty on the controller, and 2 years additional warranty on the motor. But the point to be noted here, still the kilometer warranty they are providing is 40,000 kilometers. But if you pay additional 3,000 rupees, you will get additional 2 years of warranty. So 40,000 kilometers of 5 years warranty. So these are the latest upgrades about ePluto 7G. So and this video is made on the request from the viewers. And people who are planning to buy ePluto 7G electric scooter, definitely visit the showroom and check with these upgrades, because you need to clearly observe whether the boot space got upgrade or not. Only then proceed buying this ePluto 7G. Check with the dealer once about the upgraded ePluto 7G, then only go for it. And make sure you test ride this electric scooter, not just ePluto 7G. Any electric vehicle, before you buy, do test ride electric vehicle, then only purchase it. For genuine information about electric vehicles, please to subscribe to Electric Vehicle channel. And for fast updates, please to follow our Facebook page and website. Go green, go electric.